Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable app icon badges for snaps and chats on Snapchat with the latest update. Having these badges turned on means you'll see a small notification dot or number on the Snapchat app icon right on your home screen, letting you know instantly when you have new messages or snaps without opening the app. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all your device's app and notification settings are managed. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. In this list, you'll see all the apps installed on your phone. Find and tap on Snapchat. This opens specific settings related to Snapchat on your device. Now tap on Notifications. This section controls how Snapchat sends alerts and notifications to you. Look for notification categories and tap on it. Here, you can customize notifications for different types of Snapchat activities. Under Individual Chats, tap on Snaps and Chats. This setting is crucial because it specifically manages notifications and badges for your direct conversations. Finally, toggle on App Icon Badges. Once enabled, your Snapchat app icon will display a badge showing the number of unread snaps and chats. With this simple setup, you'll never miss a new message or snap from your friends again. It's a handy way to keep up with your Snapchat activity without having to open the app repeatedly. Remember, this process might vary slightly depending on whether you're using an Android or iPhone and the software version. However, the overall steps should be quite similar. Enabling app icon badges makes your Snapchat experience smoother and more connected, so give it a try and enjoy staying on top of your snaps and chats effortlessly. Thanks for watching.